Hello, everyone. How you everyone is doing? How y'all doing? I hope y'all having an amazing night. Um, I want to talk about side hustles. I know it's been a little while since I've did a YouTube video, but I'm gonna get in the habit of being more consistent. I promise. I know I keep saying that, but I'm gonna get in the habit of being more consistent and bringing you value and a ton of content. Just because I want y'all to be aware of great opportunities and ways of how you can create um, financial freedom for yourself and for your family. That is my overall goal at the end of the day, is to help other people. And of course, if I learn something, I definitely want to share and not just hang on to it and keep it all for myself. All right, so that's the whole purpose of that. Um, so let's get into it. And sorry for, I think my smoke detector, the battery is going out. So I'm gonna have to go get a battery. So I apologize. You probably hearing that. And I know like sometimes I hear that when I'm watching videos and it can kind of get annoying a little bit. I can overlook it, but sometimes I know it can be annoying. So I apologize in advance. And some of you might not even notice it. I don't know, but I want to say it anyway, just in case for the ones that's very listener absorbent. Okay. So I'm gonna share my screen. Let's see here. All right, so this is my website, and how you can access my website is you can go to www.kekecredit.com, and this will pull up my website or my link tree. And of course, the very first tab button right here, you'll see where it says join Uber for a side hustle. So this is what this video is typically about. I want to just like strictly talk about side hustles. And one of the great opportunity of a side hustle, or one of the side hustles that you can do, is to drive for Uber. All right. Now, doing this, you would definitely need a car, and you would definitely need to know how to drive, of course. So if you have a car, and if you have a good clean background, then shouldn't be any issues with you being able to drive and have, of course, have insurance um, and driver license, all the good stuff. Then you pretty much good. All right. So this opportunity can definitely be for you. All right. So I feel like just in my state, I can't really speak for other states because I heard that earnings in different, depending on your state, earnings are different. But in Oklahoma, I'm gonna say in Oklahoma, Uber pays more than Grubhub and DoorDash. So just ching, ching, ching there. I'm not trying to speak bad about DoorDash, not trying to speak bad about Grubhub, but because they're all great opportunities. Okay. But I'm just letting you know, putting it out there in Oklahoma. And I can't say in other, what other states earning uh, requirements consist of, or the, or the percentage of what they pay their drivers. I can't really elaborate on that or tell you for sure, okay? But I can only speak for Oklahoma, and in Oklahoma, Uber definitely does pay more, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the buttons, or click on this tab here on my website. If you click on that, it will take you here. And of course, you should see my name, which they got it misspelled. Invite you to earn with Uber. So sign up to earn today. So I kind of just I want to specifically show you what you should see on your end when you click on when you go on my website and click on the tab. It says sign up now. So you'll definitely have to put your email, your first, your last name, your phone number, create a password, your city. Again, that's what I was trying to tell you. Depending on your state and your city, or particularly, that would definitely matter. But it says by proceeding, I am consenting to receive calls or SMS messages, including by automatic dialer from Uber and its affiliates to the number I provide. I understand that I may opt out and testing stop to 89203. So Uber will definitely text you. I won't text you, I promise, but they will. I won't even. So don't be afraid to use my link. If you use my link, you will get access to promotion, a great promotion where you can earn up to $2,800. If you get, I think it's 200 on your first delivery, your first, I think it's the first 30 days in your delivery, you can earn up to 2,800. So if I use my link, so you definitely want to use my link so you can get, so you'll be able to access that or be able to benefit from that promotion. Okay. So just heads up there. But yeah, you just fill this out, and it says earn anytime, anywhere, drive when and where you want, and choose how and when you want to get paid, set your own schedule. So basically use like your own contractor. You really do as such, like you pick your day that you want, you know, your day that you want to go out and do deliveries. You pick your time. There's no one that's telling you, okay, you better do this at this day or this time. None of that. You choose and pick your day and time that you want to go out and do your deliveries. Okay. And signing up is easy, and it really is easy to sign up and get started. Okay. So the background check is super fast. It's not that long. Once you fill that part out, and then, you know, give them your insurance information and different stuff like that. Like I said, this is a very good, easy opportunity of making of making income for yourself. I'm creating that income. So it's a great side hustle. That's why I'm like putting y'all on game on it. And I even have my personal link that you can use so you can get your promotion going, where you can earn up to $2,800 if you get your first 200 customers. Okay. If you deliver to 200 people. Okay. So this is something that you definitely will want to be able to do. Okay. Let's see what I want to show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my app, and I'm gonna try to be careful not showing my personal information. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm gonna stop screen share, and I'm going to go back to screen share and show you my app on my phone, so you can kind of have an idea of what the app looks like. Let's see here. So give me a minute. Oh, sorry. Oh. I don't know why I'm having trouble assessing. Screen share. Maybe I get to it. This, let me see. That's it? Yeah, that's screen. Yeah. Finally got to it. Right. Sorry about that, y'all. All right. So I'm gonna move this kind of out the way here. Hopefully you can see that okay. So this is my little folder, making money. And you'll see the Uber app right here. It says Uber driver. You click on that. So this is how this literally looks. So this little blue tab here is hit go. That's when, if you hit go, a lot of times they'll have you to take a photo of yourself to make sure it's you that's actually going to go out and do these deliveries. And once you take a picture, then you will have to hit the go button again to go online. Okay, it's really that easy. It's that simple. And like I said, you'll be able to access your account, and you'll be able to do everything. Now, this is the map here, of course. But like I said, it's really simple, really easy, and you'll be able to have to take a photo of yourself. And you can see where it says inbox, where check your inbox, because that's where they're messaging you, giving you a ton of information or notifying you about certain things regarding Uber or regarding your account. So you want to keep active when reading that. There's promotions that lets you know when there's a promotion happening, which you want to definitely benefit from. Like they had a promotion not that long ago about around Thanksgiving, where they was paying you more for going out on Thanksgiving to deliver. So that's things like that you want to be mindful of or aware of. You get paid more for doing that. Then there's earnings, where if you click on that, that will take you to your earnings and how much you made. Then there's Uber Eats Pro, then there's Wallet, then there's the account. Okay, so these are things that you'll definitely want to just be mindful of. And also you can, when you very first get your account set up and everything, they'll allow you, or I should say allow, but they will ask if you want to like get a mask. They'll mail you a mask. They'll mail you a Uber pay card where you can use when, because all customers, all deliveries are not going to consist of you just picking it up. Some deliveries is going to require you to use the card and pay for it. So order, basically it will require for you to actually place the order yourself as if you were the person that's ordering the food. So you will have to order for the customer, and then you will have to actually wait for it and basically order it and pay. And they'll give you a card, a Uber card for that. But also you will get a card for your particular, for your earnings and how much you want, if you want your money to be direct deposited to a Uber card, you'll be able to benefit from that too. Or it can get direct deposited to your bank, and just based off of preference, based off of what you prefer. But yeah, so just to kind of let you know how that works. So I don't know if you have more questions regarding anything that I just said, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to kind of elaborate more if you feel like I need to touch on certain things, or you just have questions about something that I just didn't say. Okay. Tips and info. So here is where you literally can learn more about certain things. Like if you want to know more about earnings, how payment works, how referrals work, how earnings are calculated, delivery ratings explained, 5 tips for picking up your orders, 5 tips for delivering orders, 4 tips for handling deliveries. So this is like your learning center. So if you have questions about something that you don't really know, most likely you can probably learn it just on the tips and info. Okay, so just to kind of let you know about that. But yeah, if your city or a state is very popular with a lot of people, buying fast food a lot, then you definitely, I think you'll benefit from doing deliveries, especially if you have a good working car, especially if you have a driver license, especially if you have car insurance, then you're actually good to go to do a side hustle if you are in the need to do one. Now, if you're like, don't need to do one, then that's fine. I'm not speaking to you. I'm speaking to the ones that actually looking at ways to gain extra income, because we all can use extra income. And so if that's you, if you're that person that's been trying to figure out how can I make income, how can I make just a few bucks or two or whatever, this will be a great opportunity for you if this is something that you want to do. Again, they do a background check, but if your background is good, then you have nothing to worry about. So, and that's just for everyone's protection regarding that. So anyway, that's that. I'm going to close or stop my screen share. But I just wanted y'all to see how the app look like. And yeah, so I hope this video was useful and helpful. And I'm gonna do some more side hustles. So that's not the only side hustle I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be breaking down other side hustles. And of course, if you looked on my phone, you saw my phone, I had the folder of making money. So of course, if on that folder, you probably saw I had Grubhub and I had DoorDash. So I also do those as well. So I will be talking a little bit more about those as well, because they are very great opportunities as well. And you can make money off those. Okay. So I am going to try to keep y'all up on game on regarding different ways of how you can make money. Okay. So, and of course, I'm always going to be talking about investment, because it's important to be able to learn how, once you have figure out a way to create income, it's always best to being able to know how you can grow that income once you have it. Once you have figured out a way to create it, then you need to figure out a way to grow it and compound it. So those things are so important because that's just all about financial wealth. Okay. And that's where we all struggle with right there. That part is what we struggle with, being able to create that financial wealth for ourselves and for our family. And believe it or not, this is what celebrities do. People be like, well, you know what? Like, how are the celebrities able to make so much money? How are they able to do this? How are they able to do that? They're able to do that, y'all, because they flip their money. And you might think, oh, no. They really do. They really do. They grow their money. A lot of celebrities, you hear them that they're doing real estate and they're in real estate. Okay, well, that is part of flipping their money. Like once they make their money, they're not just hanging on to it and spending it or whatever. They're actually finding ways of how they can grow what they have accomplished, what they have, the income that they brought in. They finding ways on how they can grow that income. Okay, and that's the mindset we have to start having. Okay, so that's it. I don't want to talk your heads off, but I definitely want this video to be learning experience for you, also valuable. And I hope it was both. Okay. So I'm gonna end it on that note and have a blessed night. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.